Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Most Wonderful Times stamp set, as well as some of the papers that come in the product Medley. I have an online class right now featuring 13 videos how to use this product Medley, and if you're at all interested, I will put the link in the description bar below so that you can check it out at your leisure. So these are the products that I'm going to use today, minus the stitched circle. So I have one of the gold star foiled card fronts from the product Medley, and I've cut down one of the 6x6 papers to, I think this is about 2.5 inches by 4 inches. So I have some glue here, and I am just going to cover the unsightly seam with some gold foil paper. Now, I normally use dry adhesive, but sometimes wet adhesive has its purpose, and that would be to wiggle things into place when it's not 100% dry. So my gold foil strip here was a little off. I managed to sort of wrestle it into a level place, and I did get a little bit of glue on my fingers, but I sort of rubbed it off. Now, also, too, what is really good about wet glue is, again, you can wiggle things into place. So this is on a old olive card base, and I definitely wanted to make sure that all the edges were even. Now here's a little tip. If you're using gold foiled paper, you might want to run your bone folder along the cardstock side instead of your gold foiled side so you don't scrape your gold foiled. All right, so I have a sticker in the kit, and what I'm going to do, I ended up taking it off, but then I'm like, well, that's silly. I need to stamp on it first. So this is old olive ink, and I've chosen the sentiment that says deck the halls, and I stamped on one of the little banners, and I'm going to put this on dimensional. So it was kind of it wasn't hard, but sometimes it gets a little frustrating when this is a sticker, and these stickers are pretty sticky. So sometimes we neutralize them with our embossing buddy, but I didn't have it near me, so I just had to struggle with having putting dimensionals on a sticky sticker. If you know what I mean. Sometimes it can get caught up in your fingernails or stuck to your fingertips, or worse yet, the cat. All right, so that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me. I wonder if you can think of pattern paper that you have in your stash and be able to make a similar card. I'm just putting the inspiration out there. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.